Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fixing a very common issue that our laptop is not connecting to Wi-Fi. So let's go step by step and get our internet working again. Start by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right. And once you do so, you can look out for the Wi-Fi and you can turn it off. And then you can turn it back again. You can wait 5 seconds for that and turn it back again and just go over and try connecting to the Wi-Fi. If nothing happens, you can continue with the process once again. Sometimes the Windows gets stuck. So you can press Windows plus A for that, and once you press Windows plus A, you can look out for the airplane mode and you can turn it on, this one right here as well. And then you can wait for 5 seconds and turn the airplane mode off as well and see if that fixes the issue. If not this, you can reset your Windows network adapter. So hit Windows plus R for that, and once you press Windows plus R, type in ncpa.cpl and hit enter. And after you hit enter, this opens up. You can look out for the Wi-Fi adapter that is connected. Right click on it and select the option of disable, and then wait for 5 seconds and again enable this option right here by right clicking on it. You may just go over and do so. And also forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi and also restart your network services. So head over, press Windows plus R, and there type in services.msc. So type in services.msc and hit enter. And then once you hit enter, what you may do is press W, and within W you can scroll down, find the WLA and auto config, and right click on it and select the option of restart and do so. Apart from that, find network connections as well. Type in N and go to network connection section. Find it up, right click on it, select the option restart for this one as well. And then another one is network list service. So find this one right here as well and right click on it and select the option restart. Check all of them if all of them are running or not. Also, you can update or reinstall the Wi-Fi adapters. So you can close this up, head over to your device manager, enter device manager, and once you go to your device manager, look out for your network adapters. So find the network adapters, right click on it, and once you find it up, look out for the install device option, and then just go over and restart your PC. It should automatically update and install the latest version of the driver for your Windows. And that's it. We just fixed the laptop not connecting to the Wi-Fi problem using the easiest and the safest method possible. So if this video helped, make sure to like the video and drop a comment and subscribe for more tutorials.